This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Loosen the wheel lug nuts. Raise and support the vehicle securely on jack stands. Use brake system cleaner to spray down the brake assembly before disassembling. Avoid inhaling brake dust and do not use compressed air on the brake assembly to rid of brake dust. With a large C-clamp, place one end on the outer brake pad and the other on the inner end of the caliper. Then compress the caliper piston back in its bore enough to allow the brake caliper to swivel up. Remove the caliper lower guide pin fastener. Rotate the caliper upward to allow brake pad removal. Hang the caliper in the upward position with a bungee cord or a length of wire, securing it in place. Remove the inner brake pad from the caliper mounting bracket. Remove the outer brake pad from the caliper by prying the retaining clip on the brake pad to allow it to slide out of the caliper. Completely retract the caliper piston back in its bore. This is necessary to facilitate installation of new brake pads, which are thicker. Remove and inspect the pad support plates, then reinstall or replace if necessary. Lubricate them with a light film of high-temperature brake grease. Pull out the upper caliper guide pin with the caliper, clean it, then apply a coat of high-temperature grease to the pin and reinstall it back into the caliper mounting bracket. Install the necessary shims onto the new outer brake pad, then install it into the caliper, seating the shims in place. Install the necessary shims onto the inner brake pad. Then install it into the caliper mounting bracket, seating the pad properly in the pad support plates. Unclip and rotate the brake caliper downward over the brake rotor and caliper mounting bracket. Clean and lubricate the lower guide pin bolt. Then install it and tighten it to a torque of 32 foot-pounds. Install the wheel and lug nuts. Lower the vehicle. Then tighten the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds. Pump the brake pedal several times and ensure the vehicle has a firm brake pedal before driving it. Take the vehicle for a local test drive and make several stops to make sure the brake pads have seated and the brakes are functioning properly.